Hello.
Hi,
What is your name?
my name is Lisa. What is your name?
My name is Tom. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Tom.
Where are you from?
I am from USA. I live in New York. Where are you from?
I am from England. I live in London.
How old are you?
I am 18 years old. How old are you?
I am 17 years old.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student. I study at school. What about you?
I am also a student. I study computer science at college.
Do you like your studies?
Yes, I like it very much. What subjects do you like?
I like English and history.
That's great. Do you like sports?
Yes, I like gymnastics. What about you?
I like football too, and I also like basketball.
What do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I read books and watch movies. What about you?
I listen to music and read books.
That sounds fun.
Yes, it is.
It was nice talking to you.
Yes, it was very nice to talk with you too.
See you later.
See you.